So I've had still a fair amount of requests to try and beatbox again with hiccups. So I'm going to try for the third time to get hiccups. The second one was a fail, didn't work. So I'm going for the old-fashioned chili sauce. Got this from Vietnam, from a lady in a very small shop, which she probably had about 5 or 6 things, including a load of chili sauce. And this stuff is hot. Usually gives me the hiccups if I eat too much. So I'm going to try drinking some of this for y'all. Let's do this. Not very hot, but I can feel the hiccups coming. Well, there we go. Hiccups are gone. Lasted way longer. Hope you all enjoyed. Peace.